Hello everyone, welcome to the 8085 programming series. So today we'll do this program where we'll transfer the data from one memory location to another memory location. So we'll do two programs. One is transfer and other is interchange. So this is write a program to transfer the contents of memory location 8040 to memory location 8050. Now in 8085 there is no instruction which can directly transfer the data from memory to memory. So what we do is in the very first instruction, as you can see in this instruction LDA 8040, it will transfer the data from memory location to register A. So this is a 3 byte instruction. And then we have STA 8050. This instruction will transfer the data from register A to 8050, and then we will have this halt instruction. This is how we do it. Let us run it on simulator. So we start the simulator, okay, and we get this. So we first type the instruction LDA and STA. Okay, I will write it now. So these are the three instructions: LDA, STA, LDA 8040, STA 8050, and halt. So first we assemble the code, okay, and then after assembling, we need to store some data in memory location. So what we do is we go to the memory, okay, store data directly. I'll type here 8040. Okay, and here I will store 10 here. Okay, I can store 10 here. Okay, and when we run the program, this 10 will be stored in 8050. Let us see that. Okay, so we can just run it with step 1. Okay, with this, the very first instruction, we can see 10 gets transferred in register A, that is the accumulator, and with STA the data from 10 will be transferred to that memory location. We can even check it here. Okay, as you can see, this has been transferred. So in this particular Jubin's simulator, whatever data we program and data we are storing, it appears here. So at 8040 we had stored 10, and at 8050 the data 10 has come here. Okay, and then we come to this instruction 76 and the program halts. So this is how we do the first program. Now we'll do the second one. Now the next program we do is write a program to interchange the contents of memory location 8040 and memory location 8050. So we need to interchange the contents of these two memory locations. So the very first instruction, now the direct access to memory location can only done with A. So the very first instruction we use LDA 8040. Now because of this LDA 8040, the data which is in 8040, suppose we have some data here, let us take 10. Now this data gets stored in register A, so A becomes 10. Okay, and then what we do in the next instruction, we store the data from A to B. Okay, so this B also becomes 10 now. Okay, now with the next instruction LDA 8050, so this data is in 8050. Suppose the data is 20, suppose. So this 20, it gets stored in register A. Okay, so now this register A contains 20. Okay, so this 20 is stored in register A because of LDA 8050. Now this data has to be stored at 8040, and the data is in A, so we can have direct access by using STA. So with STA 80, the data which is in 8040, with STA the data which is in A, it gets stored to 8040. So STA 8040 will transfer the data from A to 8040. So this 10 will become 20. Okay, now the data which is in B, it has to be stored to 8050, but B cannot access the location directly. So what we do is we transfer the data from B to A. Okay, so now B has 10, so this 10 comes, this B has 10. Okay, so what we do is we transfer this content of B to register A. So now register A becomes 10 because of this instruction, and after STA 8050, so this data which is in A, it gets stored to 8050. So this is how the interchange can be done. Now let us run it on simulator. So I have typed the code. Okay, this LDA 804, all the instructions are here. So I'll just assemble it. So after assembling we get this. Okay, now before running the program, we must store some data in the memory. So let us come to the memory part, and here then we type, because we have to store 8040, so at 8040, and here I will type 10. Okay, and in the very next memory location I will type 8050, okay, and here I will type 20, okay. So now 8040 initially contains 10, 8050 contains 20. Now let us run the program and then we will check the contents, okay. So we'll do it, we can do it stepwise also, okay, with the, so as you can see with each and every step, okay, what is happening, okay, with STA, then this, and then finally this is the halt. Now let us come to the check, let us check the memory contents. Now as you can see, this 8040 it contains 20 while 8050 contains 10, so data has been interchanged. We stored 10 and 20 in 8040 and 50 respectively, but now we are getting at 8040 we are getting 20 and 5010. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.